Hi everybody! Welcome back to Gravenhurst Public Library's Thinkers and Tinkers Lab Home Edition. I'm Jen and I'm with you every Tuesday and Thursday at 2 p.m. doing fun STEAM activities. So that's science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics activities that you can do at home. Today, we're going to be focusing on the A in STEAM, which stands for the arts. We're going to be working on music. We're going to make our own musical instruments using recycling. Before we start the activity, let's talk about the families of musical instruments. There's 4: brass, percussion, strings, and woodwinds. Brass instruments are made of brass or some other metal, and they make noise when you blow air inside. Examples of brass instruments are trumpets, tubas, trombones, and French horns. Percussion instruments are instruments that make noise when you hit them, so things like drums, cymbals, chimes, xylophone, and the triangle. As you would expect from the name, string instruments make noise with their strings. Examples include the bass, the cello, the harp, or the violin. Woodwind instruments make noise when air is blown inside. So examples of those include the clarinet, the recorder, or the flute. Now let's talk about what you're going to need for the activity. I went into my recycling and I got things like a tissue box, a produce container, paper towel rolls, Dixie cups, an old coffee can, a soda bottle, and I also pulled out some different elastics. To decorate my instruments and put them together, I grabbed tape, scissors, some fun colorful paper, and markers. But you can use whatever you have at home, and decorating is completely optional. Recycled instrument number 1, tissue box guitar. Ta-da! Recycled instrument number 2, coffee can drum. Ta-da! Recycled instrument number 3, paper cup shaker. Recycled instrument number 4, soda bottle jug. Voila! Amazing work, thinkers and tinkers. We made not 1, but 2, 3, 4 instruments, all out of recycling and materials you can find at home. Now, I want to see your instruments and I want to hear your music. What kind of recycling did you use to make a musical instrument? What instrument did you make? Can you write a song? Post a photo, upload a video, like this video. If you're watching on our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be back next week with more fun STEAM activities that you can do at home. Catch you later, thinkers and tinkers.